Standing next to this machine changes your sense of scale completely. Everything here is built on a size few industries ever reach. In a world of large machines, these mechanical titans still stand apart. Some machines move Earth. Others reshape entire landscapes, moving mountains one bucket at a time. What looks routine from above becomes extraordinary from ground level, where human creativity at an industrial scale turns impossible ideas into reality. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the industry's most demanding operations. From the first cut to the final destination, every stage matters. We'll follow the process step by step to see the bigger picture, tracing the path of material through operations built for pure scale. Get ready to discover how design, planning, and execution come together to power the modern world. When two of the world's most powerful production bulldozers work side by side, the scale of modern earth-moving becomes impossible to ignore. At the Furkav sand quarry, the Caterpillar D11R and the Komatsu D475A combine immense horsepower and pushing force to reshape the landscape with every pass. The Caterpillar D11R weighs approximately 248 to 500 pounds and is powered by an 850 horsepower Cat engine, while the Komatsu D475A tips the scales at about 251,000 pounds and delivers up to 890 horsepower from its Komatsu SDA16V160E engine. Together, these machines move enormous quantities of sand and overburden, preparing the quarry for efficient extraction while maintaining smooth traffic routes for the hauling fleet. Whether in vast open-pit mines or high-production quarries, these engineering giants demonstrate that powerful bulldozers remain indispensable for creating the stable working surfaces that every successful excavation depends upon. As mining operations draw to a close, heavy equipment takes on a different but equally important mission. In this final stage of reclamation at a coal mine in South Wales, the Caterpillar D11T works methodically to cover exposed coal seams and reshape the landscape in preparation for environmental restoration. Weighing approximately 230,000 pounds and powered by a Cat C32 engine producing 850 horsepower, the D11T is one of the most capable production dozers ever built, engineered to push enormous volumes of material across challenging terrain with exceptional traction and control. Introduced as the successor to the legendary D11R, the D11T incorporated improved fuel efficiency, enhanced operator comfort, and advanced electronic controls, while preserving the immense pushing power that made its predecessor an industry benchmark. Beyond supporting active production at some of the world's largest surface mines, machines like the D11T also play a vital role in mine closure, helping restore disturbed land and demonstrating that responsible mining extends far beyond the extraction of valuable resources. At the heart of every high-production mining operation, speed and precision are just as important as raw power. Filmed at a Samaras Mining Group surface mine in Greece, Caterpillar 994 wheel loader demonstrates how efficient material handling keeps an entire operation running at full capacity. Weighing approximately 534,000 pounds and powered by a Cat engine, producing up to 1,847 horsepower, the 994 is equipped with a bucket ranging from about 19 to 24 cubic yards, depending on the material being handled. Working alongside Caterpillar 777F haul trucks, it delivers rapid loading cycles that maximize fleet productivity and reduce costly idle time. First introduced in the early 1990s as Caterpillar's flagship mining wheel loader, the 994 evolved from the company's earlier large loaders with greater lifting capability, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced operator comfort. Today, it continues to prove its value in some of the world's busiest surface mines, where maintaining a constant flow of material is essential for achieving safe, efficient, and uninterrupted production. Some mining challenges are so immense that they require the largest wheel loader on the planet to step in. Originally introduced as the Letourneau L2350, the Komatsu WE2350 was engineered to load ultra-class haul trucks in only a few rapid passes. This industrial powerhouse tips the scales at an unbelievable 580,000 pounds and is driven by a roaring 2,300 horsepower Komatsu SDA16 V160E engine. It commands the pit with a colossal bucket capable of scooping up to 53 cubic yards of material in a single bite, large enough to hide a city bus. The sheer logistics of moving this giant between sites requires an incredible engineering project of its own. Covering a distance of 62 miles on a multi-axle heavy-haul trailer, pulled by twin prime movers with the bucket detached. Seeing it travel down public routes makes even ordinary semi-trucks look like toys. This mechanical powerhouse highlights the incredible coordination between maintenance crews and transport specialists who keep these hyperscale operations moving. If giant machines and real-world engineering fascinate you, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button so you won't miss our next heavy equipment adventure. Now, we step away from wheel loaders and move into the heavyweight division of surface mining, the stationary platform hydraulic excavators and rope shovels that dominate the deepest pits. In a modern coal mine, productivity depends on the perfect coordination between loading and hauling equipment, which is exactly why this next engineering marvel exists. Developed to lead high-efficiency loading operations, the Caterpillar 6020B hydraulic mining excavator is optimized for speed and precise cycle times. Weighing an impressive 276 tons and driven by a Cat engine delivering over 1,040 horsepower, it is equipped with a massive 15 cubic yard bucket. This industrial powerhouse is perfectly matched to fill Komatsu HD 785 and Caterpillar 777 haul trucks in just a few quick passes. Every swing of the boom is accompanied by the deep hiss of high-pressure hydraulics, moving massive loads without a single second of hesitation. Introduced as part of Caterpillar's next generation of hydraulic mining excavators following the acquisition of Bucyrus, the 6020B combines proven mining heritage with Caterpillar's advanced hydraulic systems, improved serviceability, and operator-focused design. Across some of the world's largest surface coal mines, machines like the 6020B play a critical role in sustaining round-the-clock production, demonstrating how efficient loading operations form the backbone of every successful mining fleet. As one operator's shift comes to an end, another climbs into the cab, ensuring the Liebherr R9350 never stops contributing to the mine's demanding production schedule. Weighing approximately 330 metric tons, or about 364 US tons, this powerful hydraulic excavator is equipped with a bucket, of up to 18 cubic meters, nearly 24 cubic yards, making it ideally suited for continuous overburden removal. Driven by a diesel engine producing around 1,500 horsepower, the R9350 efficiently loads Caterpillar 777 haul trucks with waste rock, clearing away millions of tons of material that conceal the valuable mineral deposits below. As a member of Liebherr's highly successful mining excavator family, the R9350 reflects decades of engineering focused on maximizing uptime, fuel efficiency, and digging performance. In the world's largest open-pit mines, seamless operator changeovers like this are just as important as the machines themselves, allowing production to continue around the clock while keeping these enormous mining operations moving without interruption. But the hydraulic escalation doesn't stop here. The race to clear mountains of waste rock brings forth one of the most reliable titans in surface mining history. Among the most dependable workhorses of modern surface mining, this next industrial powerhouse was engineered for relentless production in the toughest environments on Earth. Built upon decades of successful hydraulic excavator development, the Hitachi EX3600 combines proven durability with advanced structural design. This colossal machine weighs approximately 441 tons and utilizes a high-output diesel engine producing more than 1,900 horsepower. With a massive bucket holding up to 29 cubic yards of material, it is built to handle the intense demands of waste stripping operations. The earth literally trembles as the EX3600 tears through heavy overburden, filling ultra-class haul trucks with incredible speed. Standing over the site like a giant of steel, its presence is impossible to ignore from miles away. At some of the world's largest open-pit mines, the EX3600 represents the unseen hero of the mining industry, moving millions of tons of waste rock every day to prepare the ground for the next stage of mineral extraction. Every machine we've covered has relied on modern diesel engines and sophisticated hydraulic systems. The next giant stands apart from them all, using a timeless design that continues to command respect across the mining industry decades after its introduction. Every new section of an open-pit mine begins with the careful removal of the surface layers. And this 1981 Marion-Dresser 7450 was built for exactly that purpose. Weighing approximately 650 tons and equipped with a 14 cubic yard bucket, this electric rope shovel methodically strips away clay and overburden to expose the solid rock beneath, preparing the ground for drilling and blasting. Built during an era when electric rope shovels were the backbone of large surface mines, the Marion-Dresser 7450 combined rugged mechanical construction with the continuous power of electric drive systems, allowing it to operate reliably through demanding production schedules. Developed from Marion's long tradition of heavy mining equipment before the company became part of Dresser Industries, the 7450 represents a generation of machines whose durability helped shape modern open-pit mining. Even decades later, machines like this continue to demonstrate how classic engineering helped lay the foundation for the highly productive open-pit mines that supply many of the world's essential minerals today. From legendary giants to modern mining titans, we've seen engineering at its most impressive. Which machine was your favorite? Let us know below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more heavy equipment documentaries.